My name is Sean Heidemann. I'm a real estate broker here in the Phoenix, Arizona area. Today I'm doing a virtual tour for a commercial listing of mine. It's 301 East Bethany Home Road, A207. The property is up for a sublease, and it's a beautiful medical office. It's got a beautiful courtyard. I'm sure you guys can hear the waterfalls in the background. I'm going to be showing that to you here shortly, but let's take a look. It says these nice walkways with the waterfalls, sitting area for having your lunch. Here's one of the waterfalls. One of the workers is doing some work there. There's a quarry pond over here. You see the fish swimming around. It's very tranquil. There's a lot of medical offices in here, other businesses that are medical office. Our client is our doctors. They do holistic medicine. But you can have any other type of business here, state farm, medical business, anything that waterfall here. Here's the big waterfall on this side. Beautiful. Imagine having an office here. Your employees can come out here and have their lunch. Nice, peaceful, scenic courtyard. The particular unit is on the second floor, and we're heading there right now. The unit is Suite 207. It opens up to a little reception area here. Then it has an office on this side. And there's the second office. It has a nice open space. You're here for meetings, anything that you're interested in using it for. And you can also change the configuration to suit your needs as well. Kitchen area, refrigerator. Here's a Jack and Jill type office setup, and here's another office area. And then what's nice about this, it also has a nice balcony. The storage unit on the outside. So if you're a smoker, you'd come out here, smoke. Let's open up to the parking lot. Has a storage area. Well, this concludes our virtual tour of this office space. If you're interested, click the More Information tab below. It has all my contact information there. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like the information that I present here. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video.